Suriname. With our park, a little bit with love. Today's trip has brought us to the Suriname Openluchtmuseum. Established by the Dutch, this used to be a fort, or still is a fort. It was heavily defended. You can see this by the way the cannons are positioned. All cannons are aiming towards the river mouth of the Suriname River. The Suriname Openluchtmuseum has become a very popular place for photographers and videographers. But because of the bad weather, I have this place all to myself, luckily. Maybe that's why I'm a little bit more confident in front of the camera. When crossing the wooden bridge, you will locate the riverbank where you can get this amazing view. This is why, in my opinion, you can get the best sunset photos in Suriname. My opinion. There's a pathway that you can follow which will lead you to the whole area, the whole museum. I think I haven't finished the pathway ever because I'm too lazy to do it, but if you're interested in doing it, there's not much to do, but if you're interested, I think you can give it a try, give it a shot. I'm going to get the drone up and give you guys a bird's eye view of the Suriname Openluchtmuseum. So let's see what this place looks like from above. So that was today's trip. Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, leave a comment down below, like the video, and subscribe for more content. See you.